Hello everyone, today we're going to be making a passion fruit juice. All you're going to need is passion fruit and sugar. What you're going to start doing is that you're going to take your passion fruit. It could be wrinkled, just make sure it's not super wrinkled. You're going to cut it in half. I already washed mine with apple cider vinegar. Yeah, it's apple cider vinegar. I washed mine with apple cider vinegar. So I'm just gonna cut it in half. So you're gonna take a spoon and take the pulp out of your passion fruit, like this. So it should look something like this, from all the pulp extracted, and then do the same for all the rest. And then put these aside. Put these in another bowl over here.
He never answers me. When I call, he makes me feel so lonely. Didn't think you'd give up so easily. Yesterday and laughter feels so far away. I miss the old days. Memories of us keep killing me slowly. You don't really care, don't want you to hold me. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry